Eti, what is it like to work together?
So we get that question a lot because we are husband and wife who are working together all the time together, family life, work life. How do we do this? And I think there's a few aspects that we agreed on early on that help us. And I think the first one, it's more practical, is our shared calendar. We have a Google calendar and it's shared. Before we even ask each other, we just look up, see, okay, I'm not expecting him to pick up our daughter if he has a 5 o'clock listing appointment. He doesn't expect me to do certain things when I'm meeting a stager or meeting buyers or anything like that. So we want to make sure that we have our calendars up to date. Any new appointments go on right away. Any events in terms of family, friends, work, everything goes on there. So we know exactly where we are. When you're with clients or especially you, I know you don't answer your phone, for example. Yeah. So I just know that, okay, I understand why he's not answering his phone. He's with his clients. That's why we're also able to direct calls to me so we don't miss any clients. Yep. And that's super important to understand where everybody is, and it manages expectations, reduces all our conflicts. The shared calendar is very important.
Yeah.
And also, I think that, remember when we did our map with the clear roles?
Like 4 years ago?
Yeah, like in 2020, when we started working together, we sat down and we created a map, like what I'm responsible for, what Vadim is responsible for, and what we do together.
You actually have it?
I do have it somewhere. Oh, here it is. So, Team Vilensky 2021 role clarity. It's very cute. Okay, and it talks about, we actually have basically Vadim's, myself, and then what's in the middle, and this is already almost 4 years old because we did it end of 2020 because we started working together in January. Do you remember what you're responsible for?
I'm working with the sellers.
Yeah, so I think a lot of it was like listing presentations, negotiation, talk about, like, Vadim loves social media, like flyers, all that. For me, it was about buyers, CMA creation, loading listings, taking care of buyers and sellers follow-up, taking care of our database, a lot of making sure appointments are done. And this has changed over the years because we did grow. We have assistants, we have people working for us that could take a lot of the admin stuff out. But I think the ABC we still do together, which is door knocking, cold calling. This is the most important thing because you're prospecting, right?
Yeah, this is the bread and butter.
And so I would say you're never too good to go door knock and go meet your clients in person or cold call or, be there, give the holiday cookie or help be there for your clients.
You know what I just noticed?
What?
I have more tasks.
No, I think I just I spaced
I'm just kidding. She's actually running.
So we actually should frame this.
We should.
It's very important.
We should
sit down, talk. Whether your partners, whether you're married or not, doesn't matter. Have a clear list. Could be as simple as this: what each is responsible for, and visit it. 4 years later, every year, every month, every month to make sure that you're putting your side of things and making sure that you're having everything done like you promised.
Yeah, and I think it's actually we should probably update it because now that we're 4 years in the business working together,
100%.
We should probably just update it and see, okay, what else needs to be done? Where can we improve?
Yeah,
I like it.
Making each other's lives easier. Whatever you can delegate. Vadim is a master delegator.
I love delegating. If I could delegate everything, I would delegate everything.
And that's our tip for the day.
That's it.